Introducing Tenda Nova Wi-Fi 7 ME3 Pro. Best solution for whole home Wi-Fi signal coverage. This video helps you perform a quick installation with easy steps. Let's do the unboxing of the product. Inside, you will find a 3-pack of ME3 Pro Mesh Nova 7 routers. Let's connect the first router with power and Ethernet. Plug in the power and allow the device to power on. Now connect the Internet Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on the Nova 7 router. Let the device stabilize and establish the connection. Now dive into Tenda Wi-Fi management through the mobile application. Let's check the available Wi-Fi networks. You will find Nova Wi-Fi in the available networks. Now connect and set the SSID or Wi-Fi name for this device, and enter your preferred Wi-Fi password. Click on Save and Connect. Go back to the available networks in the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop and wait for the newly set up Wi-Fi router name to appear. Once the device appears in the available networks, connect to the router using the password you just set up. Once successfully connected to the network, return to the Tenda Wi-Fi app and search for the device. The Tenda Nova Wi-Fi 7 router will appear as the controller or main router to set up. Continue and enter the management password you previously set for the Wi-Fi connection. Once connected, you will get access to router management features such as firmware upgrades. If the latest updates are available, the app will recommend downloading and installing them. Click on Upgrade and allow the process to complete. This may take several minutes. Once completed, you will see the latest firmware version installed. Once the binding is completed, you will be able to select the router location such as living room, bedroom, or dining room. Select your preferred location. Continue, and you will now see detailed configuration features to edit or modify settings. We will go through each feature one by one. Click on Internet Settings. You will see the IP configuration set as DHCP, which can be changed to PPPoE or static. Second option is Parental Control. With one click, you can create a parental control group with desired policies to apply internet access limitation. Third option is NFC sticker writing, which allows you to save Wi-Fi login details to NFC stickers. These can be used for tap and connect functionality for new users without needing to type the password. Fourth option is Network Diagnostic Test, which checks and optimizes network performance for best results. It will test Wi-Fi status, WAN port connection, ping detection, DNS, and router status. After the diagnostic test, if any recommended optimizations are detected, the router will suggest actions. Once completed, run the test again to confirm that changes have been applied. Fifth is the one-click reboot option, which allows you to reboot the router remotely. You can check the Wi-Fi status and settings at the top and view the topology of connected devices. Now we explore the advanced functionality and features. Guest Wi-Fi option is available to create a separate network for secure guest browsing. Blacklist devices can be viewed and managed under the blacklist section. Smart power saving option helps reduce power consumption and carbon footprint. Password management allows you to easily reset or change the Wi-Fi password. Scheduled one-click reboot is available to refresh the device during low usage hours. You can also check the system time information. Use one-click to check for the latest firmware upgrades. LAN settings are available for IP address configurations. Router working modes include router, access point, and client. IPv6 configuration is supported. IPTV settings allow multicast or STB configuration. A physical mesh button is available on the router for quick mesh pairing. WPS settings can be configured with one click. Wireless access point binding allows you to assign specific devices to a specific router for a stable connection. On the home dashboard, all functions are available at your fingertips. For example, you can view the complete network topology. Thank you for watching. Stay connected for the next video. Quick Mesh Network Installation Guide.